First, the starters from Team Lipanan. At number 10, Jimenez. At number 25, Lopez. At number 9, Francisco. At number 11, Masbanyo. At number 28, Claro. With head coach, Noel Lopra. And let's meet the starting five for your team, Pamplona. At guard, number 14, Manema. Number 31, Sigip. Number 20, Luzon. Number 25, Olayan. Number 11, Oropesa. Winning this ball game are coaching Ruel Altares. Umpire 1, Ronnie Manalisa. And umpire 2, Stanislav Haley. And coach for Team Pamplona is Coach Alayan. Ako Bicol Cup, Kamalizur, Akin Ball!
And nagbabalik po ang inyong abang lingkod, Alex Kapa Morgan Madronio, kasama si Sir Angelo Espinosilla para sa ating Game 2 ng ating Day 3 ng Ako Bicol Cup. Camarines Sur dito po sa Pamplona.
Ayan, live na live tayo, partner, dito sa Municipality of Pamplona. At napapanood din tayo sa Ako Bicol Cup Facebook page, sa Congressman Saldico page, at sa YouTube channel, no, Ako Bicol Cup. So like, follow, share, and subscribe.
Eto na ang inaabangan ng mga taga rito mismo sa Pamplona na mapalaban ang kanilang koponan. At yan na nga, parehas na nagkaroon ng possession itong dalawang ito, partner, pero hindi pa nakabuslo ang kahit alin na team dito sa dalawang naglalaban. Again, Pamplona, the home team, kontra Libmanan. Yung Libmanan, meron na bang panalo yan? Alam ko parehas na to naglaro
Natalo, partner, no, during the second day of our Ako Bicol Cup. Natalo ng Milaor ang Libmanan. However, the Pamplona won over Gainsa. So let's see, no, kung mananalo ulit sila dito or makakasungkit ng unang panalo ang Libmanan.
Ayan ang mga aabangan natin sa larong ito. We're just starting this ball game, 9 minutes. 8 seconds. So wala pang isang minuto yung nakukonsumo natin. Pero ito na, umaarangkada ang mga taga-Libmanan. Dissing it out to the guard outside. Wala, pero nandun ang kanilang, I think that's the center. Ayan na naman ang problema natin kasi we have to familiarize with these players as we start this ball game.
Alright, that's the big man of Libmanan getting the first point, partner, for their team. So parang hindi natuwa ang ating mga audience doon. First 2 points from the guest.
Ayan na naman. Mukhang ang bilis kaagad ng takbuhan itong dalawang teams as we start this ball game. At dahil sa sobrang bilis, nagkaroon ng offensive foul. Ang, ayan, si number 11, that's Oropesa Jobert. That's Masbanyo. Marginal Masbanyo of Libmanan.
I think partner is also the top scorer of the team, no, if I'm not mistaken. However, they lost against Milaor. So grabe din yung gawa ni Masbanyo during their last game against Milaor.
By the way, kasama uli natin sa courtside ang dalawang nagagandahang dilag from Iriga City. We have Miss Barbie Floriano and Jessame Navales. Maya-maya makakasama uli natin sila para sa kanilang mga reports for both teams na naglalaban dito sa ating, again, Day 3 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg. Live na live po dito sa Pamplona Municipal Court. At nandito yung mayor ng Pamplona. Once again, partner, di ba?
Oo, kasama yung Vice Mayor if I'm not mistaken. So i-acknowledge natin ang presence ng Mayor ng Pamplona, si Mayor Architect Dennis Buendia Imperial, no, supporting his team at the same time overseeing the first ever Ako Bicol Cup here, live na live sa Pamplona. So again, thank you sa LGU ng Pamplona.
Nakita din natin kanina si Vice Mayor Josefa Fabe. And of course, this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur leg is being brought to you by Kong Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa at yan ang unang buslo ng Team Pamplona kaya nagkahiyawan na dito sa loob ng Pamplona Municipal Court.
Yan, makikita mo partner yung dominance ng crowd, no?
Oo.
Tingnan natin if this will add to the confidence of the Pamplona players or this will be a pressure to them. No, dalawa kasi yan eh.
Dalawang bagay yan. Pressure or makaka-inspire.
Yan. So, tingnan natin kung may utilize din nila yung home court advantage kasi for sure they have an ample time preparing using this court.
Meanwhile, number 25 of Pamplona, Lorenzo missing that long-range triple or three-point shot attempt. Nandito na ngayon ang mga taga-Libmanan. It was called for that's a
Traveling violation.
traveling
partner.
violation by Marginal Masbaño.
Grabe ang mata ng ating mga referee. Walang makakalusot. So again, ang mga referee natin are from SBP.
We have a different set of referees right now officiating in this particular ball game. Number 20 to number 25 at the court side. All right. Shout out kay Miss Jen Nunez ng Ako Bicol News.
And shoutout po sa iyo, ma'am, and happy viewing.
Miss Jen Nunez. Magandang si Miss Jen Nunez nanonood sa atin. Ito na naman ang Pamplona. Easy layup. Walang nagawa yung depensa doon.
Pamplona showing their pride in their municipality. Tingnan natin, Libmanan at 1 hour drive away kung makaka-recover with a 2-point deficit.
Ayan, shout out nga. May mga nagpapa-shout out sa akin pero siguro maya-maya na. May mga nagpa-picture pa ng ID sa akin para ma-acknowledge. Baseline throw in, mapupunta kay number 28 who launches a triple. Yes!
And that's a change favor partner,
That's good.
by Claro.
Yeah, klarong-klaro 'yon.
I think is the point guard of the Libmanan team.
Oo, Claro is if I'm not mistaken, former varsity player ng UNC and NCF.
Tama, partner, Dating Greyhounds na naging Tigre. Ngayon, Warrior na ng Libmanan.
In the meantime, ito naman si former varsity player ng USI na si Alan Francisco inbounding. At ayan na nga, he was trying to battle for that rebound pero napunta ang bola sa mga taga Pamplona. At ayan, na-steal pa nitong si Claro ang bola. Dire-diretso! Nope! Pero nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. At natawagan ng foul habang papihit, papaloob sa paint itong si Claro.
Claro, very active inside and out, shooting from downtown and attacking inside while rebounding his own shot.
And called for the foul is Jubert Oropesa, ang number 11 ng team Pamplona. Ayan na naman ang number 11 ng for the inbound. At ito na from the left wing, going backdoor, wala!
Against-
Tapos lang ang tira pero nandun.
Against all odds sana, partner, Parang si iShield 21.
Oo, pero nandun si Francisco to clean up the mess.
And from downtown once again,
There you go! Another triple!
nothing but net, partner.
Oo, mula naman sa Pamplona. Courtesy of number 20, si Andre Uzon.
Claro attempted a revenge three-pointer, partner, but no luck for his shot from downtown. And the big man dribbles.
Meron ding handle siya, Claro na naman, penetrates, drops it to his teammate. At dished it out to number 35 who launches a triple, wala.
Grabe, kung yung first game natin, it was a 12-point gap in the first 5 minutes. Ito naman, git-gita ng labanan, a sisu battle between these two municipalities.
They want to, kumbaga magbigay ng marka sa start ng game na to.
Of course.
Nice feed mula kay Claro to number 35 ng Libmanan na si, who's that guy? Number 35. Wala siya dito.
Oh,
Anyway,
I think
Uson.
na-omit.
To number 77, John Carlos Melia.
So we're at
Nasa
the
ilalim
deadlock.
doon.
Ito na partner, an opportunity for Libmanan to change the favor.
Oo, nahirapan doon si Oropesa sa ilalim. For Pamplona.
And if you can see at the replay partner, very nice play by Claro and number 35.
Yes.
You have to get the surname later pag tumalikod si number 35. And that is Lopez.
Lopez.
Partner. Number 35.
Sige,
Lopez.
mamarkahan na natin yan. Si Lopez at number 35.
I think si Sharif Lopez siya partner. Naka number 12 lang dito sa ating listahan.
Alright. Sige. May mga konting adjustment talagang ginawa. May mga nakita ko kaninang mga jerseys na binago. Natanong ko nga kanina si Coach Pao. Sabi ko, Coach Pao, hindi pa ba sila nabibigyan ng mga jerseys nila o uniforms? Hindi, kasi may mga pagbabago ng konti.
Apo, and again, we are very thankful sa Ako Bicol Cup. No, brought to you by Congressman Saldico kasi aside from the uniform partner, they were given shoes yung mga player. Tama partner,
Nako,
binigyan ng
oo.
tig-isang sapatos.
Kung nanood kayo ng opening ceremony natin, lahat po ng mga teams ay pumila doon para sa kanilang mga suot-suot ngayon ng mga sneakers.
Tama, para isang malaking sana all.
Oh, sana mayroon din tayo niyan, ano? Ayan, magandang pasa sana pero wrong timing. Pero nasa kanila pa ng bola for that triple
Ang galing. Libmanan.
made by Agdoro, Nino Agdoro.
Grabe ang accuracy ng Libmanan from shooting from beyond the arc.
Oo. What a nice move! Simply sensational mula kay Uzon. Was that Uzon?
Number 10, si
Number 10.
Barlis partner ng Pamplona.
Alright.
So nagkaroon nga ng mga changes partner sa kanilang mga jerseys.
Ayun na naman ang 3-point attempt.
And another one!
Ganon ka-accurate ang team na ito, no?
Ilabas nyo na ang inyong mga payong kasi umuulan ng 3 points.
Buti ako nakakopya ngayon. Ay, hindi ko pala suot pero may dala ko diyan. Number 31 for the rebound for Pamplona. 1 against 2. And 2 against 2 now. Wala. That shot wouldn't drop.
Sayang na no, 3-2 nating run sana.
Oo.
Pero of course,
mapupunta pa rin sa kanila ang bola. Mukhang may foul doon pero di tinawagan. I don't know. Number 25 launches a triple. That's way too long. Pero nasa kanya pa rin ang bola.
at paboritong galaw.
Oo.
He will create a huge step using his right foot and then throws the ball, no, like as if it's just a tennis ball.
Oo, parang it's a shuffle. Ganon. Pero mas tinatawag nila ngayon yun na Euro step.
Oo, your step partner.
Oo.
Oh, pero very rare yun partner sa mga matatangkad na player.
Oo.
So pag nakakita ka ng matangkad na player na great sa crossover, that's a very skilled player. And ganun yung mga player natin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Si Giannis sa NBA, mayroong galawang na ganon. Si Giannis, di ba?
Oo.
Anyway, Lion made those free throws for Team Pamplona. 17 for Pamplona, 14 for Libmanan.
Si Alayan kasi partner, former NCF varsity siya.
Talaga?
Oo, and a
Kaya pala.
PNP RS basketball member.
Ay, nako.
At nakapaglaro na din partner sa Dato Cup at Aguila Cup, no? Starting 2013 until 2022.
Ay,
Kaya
nako.
batak na batak.
Oh, hindi talaga to pambihira pala to din si Lorenzo Alayan, ano?
Tama partner.
Di kalibre din. Meanwhile, number 93 was rejected there after that aggressive move from coast to coast.
Ang bilis partner ng first quarter, di natin namalayan, no? 1 minuto na lang mga natitira.
Ganun pagka mabilis din talagang takbuhan ng mga players na naglalaban.
Parang
Ng
gigil
teams.
na gigil.
Oo. Sayang yon. Medyo minadali lang talaga ng Libmanan. Pero yon, minadali rin ni number 25 ng Pamplona na si Lorenzo Alayan. Ang tirang yon using the board.
Grabe naman talaga. Si Alayan at si Claro, I think, is from the same team way
Nice.
back in college.
Yes, nice find there from Claro to number 7 who's Wendell Avila. Kaya lang medyo malakas yung tira ni Wendell. Pero di bali na foul naman. Meron silang opportunity to add on to their score.
And that's a reason, no, for the coach to call a timeout kasi lumulobo na yung lamang ng ating players from the hometown of Pamplona.
If you were going to be the coach of Libmanan, ganun din ba ang gagawin mo pagka medyo umaangat na,
Of course,
umaalagwa na
no.
ang kalaban?
Partner, no, minsan kasi ang danger ng ibang coach, hindi nila agad tinatawag ng timeout kapag nagkakaroon ng 2 or 3-0 run kasi they are very they're trusting their players. No? Pero ang danger naman nun, nadi-disorganize na kasi. So kailangan mag-regroup, mag-huddle, and revisit the tactic so that the gap will not widen anymore.
And to stop the momentum ng kalaban.
Tama.
Yan ang masyado kong narinig. Stop the momentum.
Oo, tama partner. Kasi parang kumbaga, nagliliyab na.
Oo.
So, busan muna natin ng tubig.
Ito, kung about tubig, ako, inom muna tayo. As, Nino Agdoro making his second attempt. Pero that was short. Pero nandun ang number 23, yung kakampi niya. Sayang, yung attempt na yon. That's way too short.
And the ball possession from Pamplona once again.
There goes the cutting man. Yes!
Parang hindi nila pinapaya ang nanonood na mayor at vice mayor at mga kababayan nila dito sa
Oo.
Pamplona.
Ito na naman ang Pamplona, tumatakbo.
And of course, no, kaya sila gigil na gigil partner, no, i-correct mo kung mali ako, pero top 2 lang per district yung makakapunta sa semis or sa quarterfinals, tama ba?
Oo.
Piliin lang yung top 2
Tama.
teams.
Top 2 teams lang para sa first round elimination natin sa bawat mga district.
Tama. So kaya dapat as much as possible, ipanalo mo
Every
bawat
game.
laro.
Every
Yan.
game.
So again, sa mga karating lang, you are watching the Game 2 of Ako Bicol Cup, brought to you by Congressman Zaldico, Libmanan versus Pamplona.
Yeah, this is the game 2 of our double header dito po sa Pamplona on our day 3 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Short din yung free throw na yon
Ni Claro.
ni Claro.
And sobrang bilis ng oras, 25 seconds na lang, partner. Probably the last possession for both teams.
Oo. Number 31, Idol Sigiep.
And that's an air ball, partner.
They have to hurry up.
We have 10 seconds to play.
That long three wouldn't drop. And humito ang oras natin sa 3.5 seconds. Mananatili pa rin ang bola sa mga nakaputi, ang mga taga-Libmanan. As we take a look at the beautiful young ladies of this place.
Yan. Shoutout sa mga magagandang binibini ng Pamplona. Or baka sa Libmanan sila. No, we don't know.
We don't know. Alamin natin maya-maya. But anyway, we ended up our first quarter with a bang. At ang Pamplona leading with 5 points. Ayan, tama ba? Computation ko.
Partner, 5 points against Libmanan.
And babalik po si Kapa Morgan and Sir Angelo Espinosilla dito po sa inyong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Yes, back to the ball game. We are now stepping into the second quarter of this matchup. Exciting matchup between Pamplona and Libmanan.
And for those who just tuned in our FB Live and Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel, no, lalamang po ng 5 puntos ang Pamplona against Libmanan. No, Pamplona showing their dominance in their home court.
Ang Pamplona po, yung mga may hawak ng bola ngayon, mga naka-dark gray, while yung Libmanan ay yung mga naka-puti at green. Ano?
Fourth.
There
And
you go.
another 3 points.
That's a triple.
An icing to the cake naman.
Oo, icing to the cake ngayon, partner. For team Pamplona. Ay, yan naman! Binawi ka agad ng Libmanan yan! And that's Agoro.
And of course, hindi magpapatalo no ang ating Libmanan no with that Claro, a former player from NCF and UNC. Awardee din siya ng top 10 outstanding player during his collegiate years.
Wow, what an achievement for this guy, Claro.
Pero
Franco
ang tanong,
Gel Claro Jr.
ang tanong, partner, enough ba ang experience niya para talunin ang Pamplona na nanalo na ng isang game against Gainsa no, last Saturday or Sunday if I'm not mistaken.
Yun ang aalamin natin kung enough ba. Meron, pero sapat ba?
Yan, partner, tingnan natin.
Oo. Ayun na naman si Claro. Nakita ang kanyang kakampi sa ilalim.
Who knows, partner, no? Kasi kanina, sa mga hindi nakapanood ng first game, from a 12-point deficit, nanalo po yung walang score. No? Nalamangan nata nila ng around 19 points. Yung kalaban kanina.
Pero dito nga sa laban ng Pamplona versus Libmanan, talagang sa start pa lang, talagang season na yung scoring. Ano?
Opo.
Number 25 penetrates, finds his teammate sa ilalim. Umikot-ikot ang bola. At pumasok pa rin.
Parang doon naman ang lucky court ngayon, partner. No? Kung may mga naniniwala tayo dun sa swerte. So kanina, mahirap na hirap yung mga teams pumuntos dun sa kabilang court. Ngayon naman, dun lagi pumapasok.
There goes that man from the back door. Number 11, Marginel Masbanyo of Team Libmanan with that reverse layup.
Masbanyo.
Ginantihan naman kaagad yan ng number 25 na si Lorenzo Alayan ng 3-point shot for Team Pamplona. Gaganti rin siya. Bang! Wala!
No luck.
Nakuha yung rebound ng mga nakaputi. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin, partner.
Sayang.
Medyo
That's a
maalat.
sorry miss. Sorry miss kung tawagin yun.
Yeah. Second attempt pero wala pa rin. And a blind pass to the side, partner!
Yes!
At another 3-pointer from Pamplona. That's Maneja. Mark Adrian Maneja.
From the corner. And that long-range shot.
Ayan, kitang-kita yun sa camera, partner.
Oo. Look at that play.
After making the 3 points, he committed
Bang!
a foul. So parang na-equalize yung effort niya kanina.
Oo.
Still, they are edging with
in this
points
ball game.
pa. 11 points.
They're leading 11 points, yes. Ito na naman ang mga taga-Pamplona.
Maneja once again.
Yes, using the board.
Ito yung nakakabilib sa mga players natin, partners sa Bicol Cup. They are good inside and outside the line.
Particularly these teams right now na naglalaro. Talagang makikita mo yung high percentage shots nila mula sa outside.
Tama. If they cannot go in, they will hit you from beyond the arc.
Oo, both teams talagang is a threat from behind the arc. But not this time.
Naubos din yung
tumatakbo.
swerte. And favorite spot! But again, di laging pasok.
At yan, mukhang sinadya na yung foul na yon ni,
Number 25 ng Pamplona partner.
si Alayan.
Si Alayan.
Lorenzo Alayan. 21-34 po, nakakalamang ang home team na Pamplona kontra Libmanan. Again, Libmanan ay natalo na sila sa unang outing nila noong March 26, day 2 natin, naginanap sa Capuerte Sports Complex. Natalo sila ng Milaor. While Pamplona ay nanalo na over Gainsa sa kanilang first outing.
Pero partner, ang gandang laban ng Libmanan versus Milaor.
Talaga.
Kita yung laban, partner. Nagkataon lang no na walang coach during that time yung Libmanan because of some technical difficulties. So they have to their team captain has to play at the same time coach the
Coaching.
team.
Oh.
So siguro that's a key factor of them losing against Milaor. But that was a very good fight between two teams.
And kahit hindi ko napanood ng fully, alam kong napaka-exciting game yon.
Oo, pero partner, ito naman Pamplona against Gainsa. Very dominating yung performance nila.
Oy, sayang yung layup na yon. Hindi na nga guarded yun, pero kapos yung layup. Pero nasa kanila pa rin yung bola, mga taga Pamplona. Hold on, yes!
And the crowd goes wild after number 10. Barlis makes that shot.
Meantime, number 11, pinasa kay number 20. Gumamit ng pabandang tira, pero wala. Eto na ngayon, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga Pamplona.
Running like a wind si number 0. Pero he just kept on running and didn't throw the ball into the basket.
You have to shoot.
You have to shoot. That's the essence of the game.
You run because you want to shoot.
Yes. No, mukhang kailangan niyang magbawas ng gear mamaya.
That's way too long at medyo talagang dahil sa masyadong malayo, kumapos yung tirang yon ni number 10 ng Libmanan. Number 10 is Jimenez. Rodolfo Ruel Jimenez, who is inbounding the ball right now, baseline. At siya rin yung magdadala ng bola.
Ay, si Jimenez, isa din to sa mga gumawa. No? I think he's the team captain as well of their team. Because he was the playing coach.
Oh.
Nawalan sila ng coach because of some technical difficulties.
At yun, now we have a report coming from Miss Barbie Floriano. Miss Barbie, come in.
Libmanan is seeking for game of redemption here dahil sa kanilang last game ay natalo sila. Ang gandang passing skills ang pinapakita dito ng Libmanan, but still they weren't able to make it at the first quarter. Kaya naman Coach Santagon said, mabawi kita sa second quarter. Kailangan lang nilang i-secure ang rebound, mag 1-3-1 defense and offense at gumawa sa ilalim. But still, the momentum is on Pamplona. Masyado pang mahaba ang oras, mga kasuro, kaya pwede pang makahabol itong Libmanan. Stay tuned and this is the latest. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat Miss Barbie Floriano. Tama ka dyan, malayo pa ang oras kaya maaari pang makabawi itong mga taga Libmanan dahil talagang kailangan maipanalo na nila ito after their loss kontra Milaor sa kanilang first game noong March 26. Ito na, number 11 for that easy layup.
And I think partner nag-struggle sila, no? Kasi aside from yung crowd is cheering for their team, the Pamplona, nag-struggle sila kasi they are traversing an unfamiliar court here in Pamplona, which is the home court of the opposing team. So tingnan natin no kung makakapa nila yung ring, no. That's the term for players. Makapa yung court, makapa yung ring.
Pero nandun si Arman Barlis for that triple. Makakapapa kaya nila. Kung ganyan na halos umuulan ng tres dito.
Oo nga, I think it's the third three-point shot of Barlis na if I'm not mistaken kasi wala akong statistics dito. Pero either pangalawa or pangatlo niya na yung 3-pointers.
Anyway, that's Lopez committing that turnover. At ito na naman, hawak-hawak ng mga taga Pamplona ang bola.
And if you'll notice, partner, lahat sila gumagawa. You know?
Oo.
Whoever is open, they'll try to penetrate. Kung hindi, they will shoot from long distance. While Libmanan, no, they are struggling to find the one who will generate the point for them.
Yes. The meantime, ito na. Ang mga taga-Libmanan, they will try to make this one, pero
And huling-huli yung mga plays ng Libmanan, no?
Jimenez was fouled going strong to the basket. And Jimenez will take 2 free throws when after this timeout called by Libmanan, no?
Yeah, Libmanan partner. So, yan. 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining time.
All right, we have a report mula pa kay Miss Jessamay Navales. Jessamay, please come in.
Well, thank you, Coach Angelo and DJ Morgan. Kakasimula pa lang ng game, napakainit na agad ng bakbakan sa loob ng hardcourt as we're having a tight ball game. But mga kasarog, currently, the momentum is still in favor of Team Pamplona. Talaga namang pinagandaan ng Pamplona ang game na ito as it is already their second game and aiming for the second win. As of the moment, Pamplona is focusing more on their defense as well as making sure to convert their shooting into score. Dagdag pa nga ng Pamplona head coach na si Coach Ariel that they already have the idea kung paano maglaro ang Libmanan. Kaya wala silang sinayang na oras para paghandaan ang game na ito. That's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach Angelo and DJ Morgan.
Yes, maraming salamat, Jessamay Navales. Oo, tama din si Jessamay na sa report niya na kabisado na ng Pamplona ang laro, ang style of game nitong si Libmanan. Kaya it's an advantage talaga, Coach, di ba?
Tama, Coach, no? And at the same time, same day yung laro nila. So the players have watched who to watch, no? Sino yung babantayan at sino yung pwede nilang lusutan, no, in this game. So
Okay.
yeah, and it's showing, no? Kasi
And they took that advantage na mapanood yung unang laban nitong Libmanan. Kaya naaral nila the way they play.
tama, pero that timeout was very helpful, partner, no? Because they were able to cut the lead into a single digit.
Opo.
8 na lang ang kalamangan, no? Kanina, more than 10.
Pero ayan na naman, bumuslo itong si number 13.
Si Asuwer ng Pamplona. Parang ayaw nilang maging kampante.
Francisco. Nako, that's heavily guarded. Pero itinira pa rin. Kaya ayun, eto na naman ang mga taga Pamplona. Magandang pasahan! Pero mintis.
Jimenez
1-on-1. Yes, for Jimenez.
drives against a guard. That's the team captain of Libmanan.
Hindi na na-challenge yung tirang yun, ano?
Partner. Ayan, may action tayo dun sa side.
Oops, pero ito, na-rebound. Oh.
And intercepted once again.
Bang!
And a quick jumper. That's number 6, partner. Si Rania.
Takbong mayaman. Ito na naman si Jimenez.
Siyempre, partner, kung nanonood yung asawa mo at mga anak mo, dapat galingan mo. Kasi nasa home court.
Nagagawan sa paint. Pero merong foul. And the referee is telling that the ball will go to, or the foul is,
The ball will be awarded to Libmanan.
43-33, lamang po ng 10 ang Pamplona, ang home team ng labanang ito.
And we have 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining time sa ating first half. So tingnan natin no, kung kagaya ba ng unang laro kanina no, na natablan nila bago matapos ang first half o magiging mananatiling dominante ang Pamplona all throughout the second quarter.
Alam mo ang gusto ko mangyari?
Ano, partner?
Gusto ko maging tabla.
Tama, partner, no? Mas magaling at mas maganda pag gitgitan ng labanan.
Oo.
Pero parang hindi yun yung gustong mangyari ng Pamplona as they pave way against the other side of the court with 93 pushing forward. Spins!
Nero, nahirapan doon, pero naitira pa rin ang bola.
Grabe, partner.
At merong foul na naitawag kay Nero. That's Dexter Nero. And again, ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur ay hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
At napapanood po tayo hindi lamang sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Facebook page. Sa Facebook page din po ni Congressman Zaldico at sa Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel. So like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, mamili na lang kayo kung saan kayo manonood.
Oo, kasi high quality naman lahat. This is because it is brought to you by the IMBC.
After that battle for rebound, mapupunta ang bola sa mga taga-Libmanan. Pero meron ng whistle. Before that reverse layup ni Jimenez.
And with that, partner, no, 8-point lead na lang naman ang Kalamangan. And of course, 2 throws will be awarded to Libmanan.
Yes, John Paul Correa hits the first one. As we take a look, the Pamplona crowd
Kahit walang maupuan, partner, no,
Oo.
their support for their
team.
no, is showing. Kung nandito ang ating mga FB audience, no, kung makikita nyo punong-puno ang ating covered court. That goes to show na love ng mga tao ang basketball.
Ayan, naibuslo po ni John Paul Correa yung free throw pero nasa Pamplona na ang bola at that 3-point attempt, wala. Mula din sa ilalim, wala pa. Pero nandyan pa rin sa kanila ang bola.
Grabe ang rebound, partner, ng Pamplona. So I think those 4 attempts ang ginawa nila on that run.
At maganda talaga na nandun ka kahit medyo nakagrupo din doon yung mga nakaputi pero nandun ka pa rin sa ilalim. Who knows, baka bumanda at
swerte
tumama
ka
sa
na.
yung bola. Kaya tama yung dapat nandun ka sa mga posisyon na dapat naroon ka, di ba?
Tama, hindi parang pag tinira nila ng kakampi mo, i-assume mo na pasok na agad.
Oo.
No? Mindset, may tiwala ka, at the same time, pasiguro ka. Kasi every ball possession counts, partner.
Tama. Huwag yung titingala ka na lang sa langit at you have to make yourself in the proper position for an advantage for the possible offensive or defensive rebound, di ba?
Tama, partner. At kung makikita natin sa ating camera, different ages. No, meron tayong medyo may edad na, no, merong mga bata at merong mga young, no, supporting either the game or the players, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi nila. Minsan yung mga babae nandito para sa player, hindi para sa game.
Pero alam mo, alaman yung mga edad nila, isa lang ang common sa kanila. Lahat sila nag-e-enjoy sa game na to.
Tama, and that is because ako, Bicol Cup Camarinesor brought, no, the league here in Pamplona. So we thank Congressman Saldico for that.
Yes, and ako Bicol Party List. At sabi nga nung kausap ko kanina, na first time ito na mangyari ang ganitong setup dito sa kanilang covered court. So talagang nakakataba rin ng puso from the people behind Ako Bicol Cup Camarinesor. Of course, we have our Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, si Sir Ino na nandito rin. Nandito sa likod natin, pinagmamasdan tayo, ano ba? Baka magkamali kayo.
Shoutout sa iyo, sir. Hopefully
Nandito
okay pa naman.
Nandito si Sir Ino. Kanina pa, actually. Salamat, Sir Ino, sa full support. Nako, inahtid pa ako niya nung pag-uwi ko nung isang araw galing dito sa Camarinesor. Maraming salamat, Sir Ino. And I was talking kanina, nasabi ko nga, first time ng mga taga Pamplona na magkaroon na maka-experience ng ganitong setup dito sa kanilang covered courts. Yan mismo yung sabi ng isa sa mga kausap ko kanina. At nagpapa-shoutout siya. Saan ba yung mga litrato dito? Wala yung screenshot nun.
Sige, partner. Habang hinahanap mo, 50 seconds na lang ang natitira sa ating laro. No, Pamplona throwing the ball from the line but missed.
Ayan, eto na partner, nakuha ko na si Miss Jeneline Marcaida, isang admin aide ng LGU, si Miss Jeneline Marcaida. Maraming salamat po. And si Ma'am Mayet Henrietta Alayan.
Yan, tama, partner, na first time nila dito kasi nung natutukan ng camera ang ating audience, so nabigla siya na nakita sa screen ang kanyang kagandahan.
We only have 25 seconds left. Lamang po ang Pamplona ng 5. Just 5.
5 na lang, partner, in 25 seconds.
So this is really an exciting ball game para po hindi lang sa mga taga Pamplona kundi lahat po ng mga taga Camarinesor and lahat ng mga Bicolano na nanonood sa atin.
Tama. And if you're new to the game, no, or if you're just here kasi na-scroll nyo lang sa Facebook, this is a challenge in the part of Libmanan because this is not their court. Yet they are managing well.
Yes.
Having closing the gap into 5 points.
And we're about to finish the second quarter. Aabot ba sa oras?
And
Yes!
28! Cutting the lead into 3 points. That's once again Claro Jr. with a smile on his face after making that shot.
And beating the clock. 44, hindi man tumabla, pero napaka-exciting pa rin ang game. 44 ang Pamplona, 41 po ang Libmanan. as we end this first half of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Day 3 dito po sa Pamplona Municipal Covered Court. With yours truly, Kapa Morgan and
Angelo Espinasilio. Babalik po kami.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road, nanguna sa
back to the ball game.
Nagbabalik po si Angela Esponsilia at kasama ko si Kappa Morgan.
Yes.
At bago natin simulan ang second half, no, kanina, if you've been watching, no, these are the scorers for both teams. No, sa side ng Pamplona, si Maneja at si Barlis, both garnering 10 points. No? Maneja adding to his points, 1 rebound, and si Barlis naman a steal. On the other side naman, we have Claro garnering 8 points and 4 assists. No, napakagandang numero. At Jimenez with 10 points.
Yun ang ating mga vital statistics. yung mga top scorers natin for this ball game.
Yan, kung mapapansin mo, yung mga ace players nila, magkakatabi lang yung mga scores.
Oo. Uy, ang gandang move sana yun, pero
hindi niya na-recover.
Oo. He just couldn't handle that, fancy dribbling. But that could have been a great move for Libmanan. Pero ito.
Another opportunity, partner, no, to regain or to have the comeback, if not cut the lead. No, pero they are trying to cut it with a 3-pointer. And yun na yung sinasabi natin, partner. Bilog ang bola. Hindi man natapos sa tabla, nagsimula tayo sa tabla, partner.
Yes, ayun na, tabla na tayo. With the courtesy of that corner 3 from Claro.
Kanina, both 33 yung first game at the first half. Ngayon, both 44 at the start. So we'll see the aggressive parehong team, no? Kasi they're edging with 11 points as compared to the last game.
And number 7 naman, pupukol ng 3, wala. Nakuha ng mga taga-Pamplona ang rebound. At ito, sabi nila, siguro tayo, partner.
Hindi pwede mag-change favor.
Ayan.
Tayo pa din dapat ang dominante. No, kasi it would be a slap on their faces knowing that this is their court and they have the audience, no, and the crowd control.
Medyo kahiya talaga pagka nasa home court ka at natalo ka na they've been in the advantage earlier, pero ngayon makikita niyo po ang scoreboard natin, tabla po sa 44.
Tama, partner, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, no. Kanina confidence yung nafe-feel nila, pero ngayon pag nalamangan sila, baka pressure ang ma-receive or ma-experience na ating mga players.
Shout out po kay Mr. Bong Alvarez, kasama natin sa FMR. Mr. Bong Alvarez, salamat po sa panonood.
Happy viewing po.
Ganda daw ng coverage natin. Maraming salamat po. Meanwhile, that's number 7 of Libmanan. That's Nino Agdoro with that lefty layup.
And that's the shot they've been waiting for, partner. No, change favor na tayo. Libmanan now leading with 2 points.
So ayan. Pressured na ngayon ang mga taga-Pamplona after their double-digit lead. Eto, lumalamang na ang Libmanan.
And they rejected hard.
Naku, kung naipasok pa yun ni Claro, no?
Grabe, sila na sana yung may 5-point lead. No, pero again, hindi lahat heaven. It's not always sunshine.
Oo. Meanwhile, number 20 for that triple. And we will have a report mula kay Miss Barbie Floriano, kasama ang isa sa mga coaches ng Libmanan. Miss Barbie.
Now we're having a technical difficulty.
Wala yung audio ni Miss Barbie. Pero eto, habang inaantay natin na maayos ng ating mga kasama sa tech team, ayan! Nakabuslo na naman ang mga taga-Pamplona.
And makikita natin na they are regaining control in their territory.
And here we go with another 3-point attempt. Yes!
And I think
that's Nero, if I'm not mistaken. But what I'm sure about is that lamang na po ang Pamplona naman. And babalikan natin si Miss Barbie Floriano with the coach ng Libmanan.
Thank you so much, DJ Morgan and Coach Angelo. Now with me is the head coach of Libmanan, Coach Don Sandagon. So Coach, this is already your second game. Ano po ba yung natutunan ng inyong team during your last game with Milaor?
Bali, ang ginawa ng team namin, nag-practice at saka nag-focus kami on defense kasi medyo doon kami na last game namin sa depensa, nakulangan yung defense namin. Kaya medyo focus kami sa defense. Saka dati pa rin yung sipag para makabawi kami sa larong ito ngayon.
Okay, Coach, masyado pa pong mahaba ang oras at pwede pa kayong makabawi. Now, pwede na po kayong bumalik sa inyong team para po i-guide sila. So, this is our head coach from Libmanan. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Barbie. No, tama yung partner, si head coach. Kailangan nila mag-focus on defense kasi while their players are runners and shooters, no, the opponent as well have their shooters and scorers. Kaya kailangan nilang depensahan.
Yeah, they really have to defend those 3-point shots being made by Pamplona.
Oo, especially itong si Barlis. No?
Oo.
Nagiging sniper.
So right now, Pamplona is leading once again ng 5 puntos kontra Libmanan at pero nasa free throw ngayon si Claro.
They're trying to shorten the gap.
Oo, to cut the lead. At 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining po sa ating third quarter. Ang bakbakan ng Libmanan at ng Pamplona, the home team. And there you go, that's Uzon.
And yan, sinasabi ko na kanina, partner, bantayan nyo si Barlis. Kasi sniper siya.
Bantayan si Barlis, masyadong matulis.
Ayos yung partner. Grabe ang accuracy ni Barlis. I think that's his 4th 3-pointer, no? Again, for this game.
Uzon.
So we have to confirm.
Muntik nang mawala yung bola sa possession nila. Pero ayun na naman! Bang!
Barlis! Ayan, deserve yung smile after making that shot.
Grabe!
Grabe, nasa mood si Barlis. That's his 5th 3-pointer.
Ayun, nasa masyadong malalim na lugar ang mamang yon, kaya tumama lang sa ilalim ng board ang bola.
I think they need a man to guard Barlis at all time. Kasi ayan na naman siya. A sniper.
Medyo.
Pero of course,
sobra yung tirang yon.
Yeah, nagkakamali din ang mga snipers natin.
Oo. But if he made that third shot, third consecutive 3-pointer sana.
Pwede nang mag-uwian, partner. Charot lang.
Record yon dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Tama, Barlis, no? A very notable player in terms of shooting from beyond the line.
Mukhang minamarkahan mo na yung lista mo, no? Ayan, matapos ang report ni Barbie Floriano kanina, eto naman kasama natin si Miss Jessa May Navales with the coach of Pamplona na si Ariel Alayan.
Mga kasurog, after the 3 period, the Team Pamplona is still leading the game. So now with me is the Team Pamplona head coach, Ariel Alayan. Marami ka nagbanggi, coach. After successfully dominated the hard court last Sunday against Gainsa, here you go again, proving na talagang matitibay ang mga taga-Pamplona. Aside po from home court advantage, ano pa ang sekreto ng team para tuluyang masecure ang second win?
Bale, pati sa mga audience, medyo nakakalamang kami sa diriming lugar. Pero di kami nakakasiguro, maray ang kalaban. Maray po ang kalaban. Basta ang advice ko sa inyo, depensa, paipitin ng depensa. Yung lang yun. Sa depensa lang talaga. Sa offensive, mga problema. Alas naman sila, alat naman sila marunong maglaro.
Yes, kagaya nga, coach, ng sinabi mo na patuloy ang pagpapakita ng suporta ng mga taga-Pamplona as our venue is jam-packed by our live audience. Ano po yung masasabi mo sa patuloy nilang pagpapakita ng suporta sa team nyo?
Bali, dito kasi po sa bayan namin talagang mahilig sila sa basketball. Pagkatapos pag team talaga ng Pamplona, suportado talaga sila. Kaya, malaki masasalamat ko rin dito sa mga kababayan ko. Nakita nyo, maraming tao yan. Siguro mga 80% yan, taga rito sa amin. Mga 80% taga rito talaga sa amin.
Ayan, iba talaga ang mga taga Pamplona. So now, that's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach Angelo and DJ Morgan.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jessamay Navales and Coach Ariel Alayan. Tama nga, Pamplona is taking advantage of the crowd na nandito ngayon in full support. At ayan na naman ang 3-point shot made by your favorite.
Barlis, no?
Sabi ko, favorite mo na eh.
Oo, that's his 6th 3-pointer. Again, no, this is an unofficial record. Tinatandaan lang natin, no? Kasi notable player, of course, si Barlis, especially for this game.
Ako naman ang paborito ko ay si Franco Gel Claro ng Team Libmanan. So kung may paborito ka sa kabilang team, meron din ako paborito.
Oo, yan yung sinasabi dito common na line sa Bicol. Sadit sana pero lintian.
Sadit pero malanit.
Nice, Coach. So yan, totoo nga yung sabi ni Coach kanina, no, very supportive. Hindi lang yung audience kasi I think this is the first time na present ang mayor at the same time vice mayor ng munisipyo para manood at suporta ng kanilang team.
So it seems like hindi pressure, kundi inspiration ang tinatamo or tinasama sa ngayon ng Team Pamplona. But look at that, another 3 from Maneja mula sa right corner.
Proving na hindi lang isang player ang 3-pointer nila, partner.
Oo, hindi lang si Balbis ba yun?
Oo, tama, partner, na hindi lang, sabi nga ni Coach kanina, no, the love of the game of the players no, is showing and they are equally talented. So meron lang talagang nag-outshine minsan sa isang laro. No, and si Manea, partner, no, notable player din siya. Kasi former varsity siya ng Mariners Polytechnic College at nakapaglaro din siya ng Dato Cup 2013 and 2014 tulad ni Alaya.
Ayun naman pala. In the meantime, Alan Francisco of Libmanan shooting that from the mid-range. And ito naman si Dexter Nero giving it to Barlis. Launches a triple!
Barlis.
Wala! A little short.
Grabe. Buelo or may bantay, ititira niya talaga.
Ganon siya ka-confident sa kanyang outside shooting.
Tama. Ikaw ba naman, partner, no? 6 straight 3-point shots. O hindi ka ba niyan ganahan tumira?
Oo. Talagang iniisip mo na yan eh. Hindi mo pa binibitawan. Shoot na to.
Oo. And of course, nakaka-add ng confidence yung sigaw sa bawat tirang pumapasok.
Oo. Definitely. And yun na nga, sabi ko kanina, dahil dalawang bagay yan na nasa home court ka, it's either ma-pressure ka ng iyong mga home supporters or ma-inspire ka. And it looks like ang ating Team Pamplona is really inspired and talagang pumped up to win this ball game.
Tama.
Second win, just in case, ano?
Oo. Kaya we invite those municipalities, no, kapag maglalaro yung team nyo, visit them in the assigned court para suportahan kasi it will boost their confidence.
Yes.
So ayan, mukhang mainit na ang ating laro.
Oo, pero too early to say para sabihin na panalo na dito ang Pamplona. Dahil ayan na naman si Claro using his left. Although challenge, pero naipasok pa rin niya ang tirang yon.
Kumbaga hindi pa money in the bag kasi bilog yung bola. And another rejection!
Yon. Talagang intense ang depensa. Kahit pinapakita ngayon ng Libmanan dahil din nga, nalalamangan sila ngayon ng Team Pamplona. And there goes the sign na mayroong timeout.
Grabe yun, partner, no? Back-to-back block ni number 24.
Alright, sige. We take a look at this 3-point shots made by Barlis. Yun yung isa. Ito naman kay si Maneja.
Nothing but net.
Layo nun.
Grabe. And another one from Barlis.
Bang!
Perfect release, partner. No, hindi man lamang tumatama sa rim.
Another one from Maneja.
And
Sagutan.
another one.
It's raining threes dito po sa Pamplona Municipal Covered Court as we get ourselves back sa ating ball game. Yours truly, Kapa Morgan and Sir Angelo Espinosilla delivering the work for you on this beautiful Thursday evening.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you so much, partner. Again, you are watching the game 2. Libmanan versus Pamplona. Libmanan having experienced their first loss against Milaor last Saturday, and Pamplona winning against Gainsa, eyeing for their second win for tonight's game.
Siyempre ang Libmanan looking for their first win. Nako, wag naman sana silang masaktan pa sa laban na ito. May tawag ang referee, traveling.
That's a traveling violation, partner.
Oo.
Sige, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng Libmanan to recover. Kasi kanina nakapaglapit na sila. I think nakalamang na sila ng 2 point.
So anong ginawa nila doon?
I think they were aggressive, they run faster. Pero ito yung danger, kasi pag may mga star players ka sa isang team, the tendency is ibababad mo siya.
Oo.
And of course, they will decelerate kasi hindi naman sila mga robot. Not to the point na bababa yung performance, pero at least it's not the same as they started.
So you were saying na kailangan maganda pa rin yung rotation ng players.
Tama, oo.
In the meantime, Claro just made another 2 point for Team Libmanan, cutting the lead to just 6, partner.
Tama, partner, Pero, yan, diskarte pa din ng, kasi kung isa-sacrifice mo naman, by having your best player rest, baka malamangan tuloy kayo masyado.
Pero, ayun, si Uson making that triple, Vincent Andray Uson. So, hindi lang si Barlis, hindi lang si
Maneha. Parang sabi,
sumasama na rin si Uson.
Parang sinasabi niyang, kayo lang sumisikat dito sa lugar natin
pero,
give me the ball.
Yan naman si Jimenez, ang kanyang version ng triple for Team Libmanan.
Yeah. Medyo si Jimenez nag-struggle ngayon sa kanyang mga play, pero slowly. Kasi ang ganda ng performance ni Jimenez last time. And
there you go, 2 against 1 doon.
That's Francisco, number 9 of Libmanan.
So ayan, ilan na lang ang lamang? 4 na lang po ang lamang ng Pamplona. At ayan, nakuha na naman ng mga taga-Libmanan ng bola. Nandito na.
2 seconds.
Jimenez for that long 3! Nope!
Sayang.
Hindi umabot.
Again, hindi po kami bias. Gusto lang namin git-gitan yung labanan.
Alright, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating very exciting third quarter. 7 PM Pamplona, lamang pa rin over Libmanan with a score of 66. Magbabalik po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur with yours truly, Kapa Morgan and
Angelo Espinasilia. We'll be right back.
yes, back to the ball game. This very exciting ball game between Pamplona and Libmanan dito sa home court ng mga taga Pamplona. Possession will go to Pamplona as we start this last quarter of our game. Nero jumps. Almost made that shot pero wala. Nakakuha ng mga taga-Libmanan ng bola. Eto na. Mabilis. Sumarurot.
Nice pass, partner. Bounce pa sana.
Pero
didn't connect.
Sayang yung pabandang tirang yon ni Nino Agdoro. Hindi pumasok. Maneha. Thinking for a 3. Pero dumiretso. Pero na-foul siya ni number 24, John Paul Correa. Again, ang Ako Bicol Cup ay hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And we have a report right now from Barbie Floriano. Miss Barbie, pasok!
Lumoboda ang kalamangan ng Pamplona laban sa Libmanan sa ating huling quarter. Advantage na rin siguro dito ng Pamplona ang paglalaro sa kanilang home court. But then Libmanan is still positive and hoping that momentum will shift on them. May ilang minuto pa sa larong ito kaya pwede pang makahabol itong Libmanan. So let us see if Pamplona will get another victory, if this will, or if Libmana will bag their first win. That's the latest. Back to you, Coach Morgan and Coach Angelo.
Maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano. At ayan na nga, Barbie, dumikit na.
Oo, nagbilang anghel ka, Barbie.
Sabi mo, makakahabol pa. Pwede pang makahabol ang Libmanan. Ayan na nga, humahabol.
And an opportunity to cut the lead.
Ayan na naman!
What a pass break!
We are tied at 70 right now at 8.25 remaining in our ball game.
And makita mo, nagsiselebrate out of gladness si Claro kanina. Because they paved their way using their sweat and blood just to reach this point na magkaroon ng deadlock.
Ano yung effect nito sa team ng Pamplona na ngayon ay tabla na yung score natin?
Ayun, partner, because of the crowd presence and home court advantage, matiturn na naman ulit yung inspiration. So it's a battle of perspective, kung inspiration ba to or pressure ba na dapat hindi ako matalo kasi nasa bahay ako. Parang may bisita ka, tapos yung bisita mo, yung kumukontrol sa bahay mo. Parang ganun yung feeling, di ba?
Hindi pwede yung ganun.
Oo, yung
diba?
Parang siya yung kukuha sa ref. Siya yung...
So they have to incline to that inspiration rather than that pressure na mararamdaman nila.
So mindset yan. So tingnan natin kung anong magiging epekto ng deadlock sa ating mga players from Pamplona.
In the meantime, Nero finds number 25.
Dapat makuha nila itong puntos na ito. Kung hindi, no, this is a slap to their face if a change favor will occur in the fourth quarter.
And malaking impact kapag nag-lead dito ang Libmanan at as we start this fourth quarter of action dito sa ating matchup na ito.
Tama, partner.
Claro! Going to the baseline.
Yan na nga.
And putting up that putting that in
kasi
is Libmanan.
Tama, kasi it's disrupting kapag ikaw yung naghahabol.
Oo.
Diba? Ayaw nating naghahabol, partner.
Pero ayan, merong 3-point attempt pero sablay yung tiro yon.
And Libmanan once again.
Jimenez turns.
Nice back pass.
Kay Francisco, wala.
Pero hindi na secure yung opportunity. Ang gandang pasa sana yun against 4. Kaso hindi na pala tumakbo. And that's the same ball. Pero good thing to, partner, sa part ng Libmanan. Makapag-reset sila with a 2-point lead against the advantages of Pamplona.
Kailangan bang maging patient dito yung Pamplona? Dahil parang nakakita ko parang desperate na sila Parang desperate sila. Hindi pa naman ganun nipis yung oras, di ba, Coach?
Yun yung partner, yung problema minsan, pag lamang ka and then bigla kang nahabol at nalamangan ka din. So, your tendency, despite, of course, kailangan mo maging patient all throughout the game, kailangan manggigigil ka. Kasi para bang nanalo ka sa sugal, tapos bigla kang natalo, kaya all in mo na. Ending up na mauubos. Hopefully, tingnan natin, hindi ganun yung mangyari.
Sana hindi ganun ang nasa mindset nitong mga taga-Pamplona.
That's right. So tingnan natin with their attempt. So let's see if that was a foul or a shot clock violation. No, that's a 24-second violation.
Yeah. That's actually a desperate attempt from Maneja.
Then a partner, this play will probably shut the crowd of Pamplona.
They need to keep their composure.
And from downtown!
Wow, that will hurt for Pamplona.
Yeah, that's very painful.
From number 7 na si Nino Agdoro ng Team Libmanan. At ayan,
that's quite painful, hindi lang sa mga players. Kasi for sure, isa sa mga audience natin dyan, either boyfriend nila yung player, ama or kapatid. And seeing that the turn of the tides, it's very painful on their side.
Ayan, mukhang mga
Libmanan fans to.
Libmanan fans to. Obvious na obvious kasi their team is now up by 5.
And they're clapping.
Kontra Pamplona na lumalamang kanina sa mga early goings ng ating ball game. Early quarters actually.
Tama. And of course, hindi pa naman tapos. May 6 na minuto pa tayo. And
beautiful move! Pero umalog lang ang bola. Lumuwa. Sayang, na-rebound ng mga taga-Pamplona. Merong chance sila na to cut the lead down to 2 or 3 maybe. Nero, binigay
open si number 11.
Wala pa rin. Mukhang maalat pa.
Sayang belang-bela sana yun, But at least, the whistle was blown.
Oo. And they will have a chance to cut the lead because of free throws to be awarded dito sa number 11
si
ng
Oropesa.
Pamplona. Jubert Oropesa. Hindi pala. So ball possession lang.
Oo, kasi
wala pa sila sa penalty.
sa baba din ata, hindi shooting position.
Oo.
Claro once again generating the play for his team. And from a very long range.
Wala, malayo masyado yun. Pero
that was an ambitious attempt on the side of Jimenez, shooting from a meter from the line.
That could have been a what we call pagka naibuslo yun ni Jimenez, that 3-point shot, yun na yun, parang
pang-highlight
it will seal the deal.
Yeah, and so kung sa boxing parang cobra shot of the game.
Oo, pero mukhang malayo pa naman. We still have 5 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in this ball game.
And pwede pang
Anything can
magbago.
happen.
Yes,
Anything can
partner.
happen, Coach.
That is right.
Kasi napatunayan na din ng Pamplona that they can lead this ball game. Actually, they led this ball game from first, third, and third quarters.
Tama partner. Parang isang beses lang lumamang ng 2 points tapos naka-recover agad. Leading with again 10 points.
Pero hindi na pumapasok yung mga tres nila na kanina talagang umuulan.
Tama. I think the pressure and exhaustion is kicking in their heads.
Beautiful
in their
move
body.
from Claro, pero wala.
Yeah, with that exhibition from Claro, kung pumasok sana yun, napakasakit.
Oo, for Team Pamplona.
And we're half the quarter, partner. 5 minutes remaining time. At kung makikita mo, isa-isa na silang umaatake. Nawala na yung passing play nila. No, if I have the ball and if I am inside, I will push forward and penetrate.
Wala.
O diba?
Wala pa rin.
Desperate, desperate
Lousy.
time calls for
Lousy
desperate
shots.
measures.
Lousy
Habang ito
shots.
naman, hindi na nabantayan. Mukhang pagod na nga. O, yun na. Nagsisignal na magpapasab ang players ng Pamplona.
Talagang exhausted na masyado. 4 minutes 31 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. At ayan na nga. Nakikita, obvious na nape-pressure ngayon ang Team Pamplona.
Oo, partner. Tama. So, yun, sa mga bago sa laro, hindi basta-basta ang basketball. Tatakbo ka back and forth.
Yun ang paano ba sa isang team dapat ma-handle mo yung situation na ganito na dati ikaw yung lumalamang and all of a sudden nabigla, nabago yung pangyayari.
I think, partner, when you're running, hindi mo siya maiisip. So, pag grabe na yung kalamangan, that the coach needs to call a timeout para i-remind ang mga players to maintain their composure and return to their play kasi nagiging aggressive sila masyado.
Yun. But anyway, nakapuntos na finally ang mga taga-Pamplona. So, the lead is cut down to 3
and
as we enter our 4-minute mark ng ating ball game.
Tama. And Claro losing his grip. Hindi na masyadong ganun ka-accurate.
There goes Barlis. Cutting the silence, stopping it. And right now, sabi ko nga, meron na lamang ng 3 kahalamangan itong Libmanan who's hungry for the win dito sa laban na ito dahil na-upset sila sa kanilang unang laro ng Team Milaor while itong Pamplona naman ay looking or aiming for their second win.
Oo, kasi it will lead to devastation if matatalo pa ang Libmanan ngayon, Parang tatama rin na tayo sila maglaro sa third game. Kaya they have to win this game so that they would tie with the other teams. Of course, we would like, partner, to shout out the presence of Councilor Lynn Raimundo from Pamplona.
Ayan, so nandito yung LGU in full support sa atin po. Maraming salamat, Councilor Lynn Raimundo.
Yan, again, we have the mayor, the vice mayor, and the councilor from Pamplona. And that's the reason probably why they made the shot. And si Barlis na naman, mga kaibigan.
Ayan, taking effect is Barlis for Team Pamplona. We have a tie and we have an exciting ball game. Libmanan versus Pamplona.
Tama, I have no doubt, partner, na kung mananalo ang Pamplona, Barlis would be the player of the game. Pero hindi pa natin alam kasi wala pang nananalo.
And yes, and anything can happen. It's anybody's ball game actually.
Yan, tama sa mga nanonood dyan sa ating live. Huwag kalimutang huminga. No, kahit gitgita ng labanan.
Francisco, nasa free throw line. Nasa kanya yung pressure. Pero pumasok pa rin yung tira.
Ito na nga partner, no? Kanina, kalmado yung crowd ng Pamplona kasi lamang na lamang sila. But this time, they know that Libmanan can recover. That's why they're using all the means, no, to distract the opponent.
Pero ganun pa rin, same result.
Undistractable. Si number 9 ng Libmanan.
Francisco.
That's Alan Francisco.
On his third attempt, dahil na-foul po siya sa 3-point or behind the arc.
Yan, so that's just 2 chickens in the bucket. Hindi niya na-complete yung 3-point play, pero I think the ball possession
will remain
to them, no? I think ano na din partner, no, penalty na or
it's a
kasi 2 shots na naman, no? Or maybe that was just a foul on the shooting act. Ito na.
Ayan,
naku.
Nino Agdoro making the first attempt. So these free throws are crucial sa ating ball game.
Very crucial.
Tama ba?
Especially na exhausted na and this is their only time to rest and make a shot, no, that is free.
Meanwhile, that's Asuer Dumihon for that big rebound for Pamplona.
Barlis once again.
Kicks it out to number 20. Number 20 is Uson. Uson, pumakanan, tumira! Muntik na, pero he was fouled.
Pakinggan natin kung pang ilang foul na. Third team foul para sa Libmanan. So hindi pa magpe-penalty.
Hindi pa. So
very careful partner, no, ang team ng Libmanan kasi nga sa fourth quarter lalong-lalo na ito yung time kung saan very crucial masyado yung free throws.
Meanwhile, Vincent Andre Uson making those 2 important free throws for his team, Pamplona, was trailing by only 1 at 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Merong reach and foul na tinawag. And that's Maneja.
Kahit ako partner, kinakabahan ako, gitgita ng labanan. ng 1-point lead ng Libmanan against Pamplona.
Ganun naman talaga mga inaasahan nating laro.
Tama, pati yung mga audience natin, tulala at nakikilagan, nasya-shock.
Sa mga pangyayari dito.
Kanina, parang grabe yung smile nila at tawa. Parang napunit yung mga ngiti.
Oo, napunit. I like that. Napunit yung mga ngiti.
Kaya nag-iisip na, parang kung ako ngayon naglalaro dito, baka hindi na yan.
Sabi niya, lagot ako kay Mrs.
Para sabi ko, bibili lang ako ng ulam, pero andito na ako.
Dito na ako.
Kasi ako naman, partner, kung makita ko talaga ganito yung laro. Kahit may assignment ako, pero wag niyo sanang gayahin. Manunood muna ako.
Ayan, again, very exciting ball game. Lumalamang po ang Libmanan as of now, 78-77 kontra Pamplona na home team at 2:45 seconds. Or 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Wala yung 3-point attempt na yon. The ball goes to Pamplona now.
An opportunity.
With Uson. May tangan ng bola. And that jumper. Wala. Hindi tumama sa ring.
Second
Fernando ang kanyang kakampi. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
At merong foul na itawag.
And that's the fourth team foul rather, partner. Ang mga susunod na foul is free throws na. So yan, Libmanan should be very careful, especially they're about to lose control after this free throws. Buti na lang hindi pumasok. So the only chance is for them to have a deadlock at 78.
Ayan, Maneham missing that first attempt. And same result pa din sa second attempt. Ito na naman si Claro crossing over, giving it to his teammate Jimenez. Jimenez, diretso, pailalim. Wala, masyadong backdoor na yon para sa kanya.
Mukhang kita na natin ang exhaustion ng mga players, no?
Oo.
Kung hindi short.
Ako, after that miss, nandun in the right place at the right time yung kakampi.
Yan yung sinasabing pag na-miss mo yung jump mo, a counter punch will be coming. And for the last 2 minutes, partner, lamang na ulit ang Pamplona.
Yes! Pero nandyan ang mga tagalibmanan.
Grabe naman yun.
Merong foul. Wow, we have a ball game here. 1:45 remaining. At si Kaya pasok ang unang tira for Libmanan.
Ayan, kinilig ang ating audience nung nakita sa camera.
Oo, napapaubo pa siya.
Yan, mukhang hindi pa rin siya, wala pong kaalam-alam.
Nasa TV na pala ako.
Nahuli. Yan na, deadlock na partner.
Okay, Lopez will try his second shot.
I myself
To
is
make.
at the edge of my seat. Tignan natin.
79 all po tayo, mga kasurog. Ayun, nothing but net. Lamang po ang Libmana ng isa. 80-79.
So crucial ang bawat possession dito, partner.
Yes.
No, hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkakamali.
Yon ang sinasabi ko. Pagkakamali na lang. Sino ang magkakamali?
Yan. Sabi nga ni FPJ, isang pagkakamali, di ka nasisikatan ng araw. Tingnan
Eto
natin
si Marlis,
anong gagawin
Marlis.
ng Pamplona. Ayun na nga ang
Stolen.
pagkakamali.
That possession was stolen by Team Libmanan.
That's a very painful interception.
That could have been a chance for Pamplona to lead. Ma-regain yung lead. Pero mas may chance ngayon ang Team Libmanan.
And it's the penalty already. No, so ang gagawin nito ni Libmanan is to make sure that the ball handler is a shooter. Para kung ma-foul sila, secured ang points nila.
And they have the security naman in the hands of Claro.
Yeah, a
with his
former.
experience in basketball.
Yes, playing different collegiate leagues and outside leagues.
At yun na nga, naibuslo po yung dalawa. 82-79, tatlo na po ang kalamangan ng Libmanan. Pero ito, si Uson.
Yun din dapat yung gagawin nila. No, make sure that the handler is a shooter kasi
Maneha
penalty
for
na
3.
din.
Wala.
Wala na, nagmimintis na. And the foul was called. So battle of free throws na ito, partner, kasi they'll both try to penetrate inside and secure a foul.
They will be tried sa shooting under pressure. Itong si Sigep ng number 31 ng Pamplona, we will see. Good.
At least na-secure niya yung
Oo.
una kasi yung 2 shots kanina, no, walang pumasok. He has to secure this next shot.
Yes.
And he didn't.
Umalog lang, na-rebound ni Francisco ang bola para sa Libmanan.
So,
Ito na naman si Claro, tumatakbo. Claro pa rin, may tangan ng bola. Binigay kay Francisco, balik kay Claro. Claro now will
they're maximizing the
orchestrate.
time, partner.
Oo.
Kasi pag nakapunto sila, oh
Sayang.
no. Oh, that was a reckless throw.
Oo, and ito na naman, nasa mga taga-Libmanan ng bola.
And
Siyempre.
the crowd is at the edge of their seats din, partner. And an alley-oop attempt. Pero wala, from long range. Yes! And I think that deserves a timeout.
That's a good shot from way downtown. Nico
Pero
Antoro
parang
for
hindi na
Libmanan.
nag-timeout. Uson for a revenge point, 3-pointer. And I think shot clock is off. So what they are going to do is to kill the time. Dapat, partner, ang gagawin nila dito is i-intentional foul, no, kung gusto pa nilang makapag-recover.
As we take a look at that last sequence, kung saan, well, I can say that's a dagger.
Yeah, dagger through the heart. Yan, final pa rin. Hoping. Pero I think a 5-point deficit is a very difficult lead to have.
It's enough to seal the deal. Anyway, that's a big shot from Nino Agdoro.
And you can see, no, mukhang disheartened ang ating mga audience. But if I'm a citizen from Pamplona, no, I'll be happy because they play their heart out.
Yes. At saka nandun naman talaga yung support nila. Kaya lang, ewan ko kung saan nagkulang.
Oo. Yun naman kasi na laro ng basketball eh.
Oo.
Minsan, kahit magaling ka, nagkakataon na may mas magaling sa'yo.
Pero, Ox lang naman din kasi isa pa lang naman ang talo nila.
Yes,
Meron na lang silang
1-1.
isang panalo.
So
Diba?
they have an opportunity na pwede sila magka-rematch in case na maging same ang score nila.
Yeah. All right, we had a ball game here at the Pamplona Municipal Covered Court. What an exciting 2 ball games we had sa ating Day 3 ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Ano pang masasabi mo, Sir Angelo?
I'm very happy no, that I traveled from Naga City to witness these 2 games. No. They did not disappoint. Grabe pa yung git-gitan. Laban yung wini-wish natin na makahabol para maging git-gitan. Tinupad ng both teams. And unpredictable kung sino yung mananalo.
Kagaya ng first game natin with San Fernando
against Pasacao
na nauuna yung Pasacao at in the end nanalo pa rin yung San Fernando. Sa ball game na ito, nakita natin from the first 3 quarters of the ball game na mukhang Pamplona na pero iba pa rin yung naging result. It's Libmanan who won this second
quarter. Second
game.
So if we have to place a title partner sa doubleheader natin ngayon, it's the revenge of the fallen. Or
that's a great
the
title.
greatest comeback. Kasi parehas yung nangyari sa ating dalawang teams.
As we take a look at the highlights of the ball game. Well,
ang gandang galawan sa yun, yung Barlisno from inside and out. Eurostep from the inside and then 3 points from the outside.
Well, technically, sa tingin mo, saan nagkamali ang Pamplona?
I think wala naman masyadong mistake but they had trouble in the 4th quarter because they were exhausted. Kung mapapansin mo, partner, halos hindi na pumapasok yung mga tira nila at hindi na sila masyadong maliksi tulad ng dati. So I think they have to work in their endurance.
Is it okay to say, na kasi based on my observation, parang they couldn't handle the pressure from the gaining team sa earlier part and then biglang nabago yung sitwasyon, sila na yung nalamangan. They just couldn't handle
the
partner, situation.
No? That may be a factor. Yung parang kinukumpara ko siya kanina sa sugal. No? Pag tumaya ka, nanalo ka, biglang natalo ka, kailangan mo agad bawiin yung dati mo nang napanalunan. Without realizing na kailangan mo muna mag-break even or tumabla. So dun siguro sila nagka-problema, partner. Tama yun.
So siguro kailangan pa talaga ng they will learn from this loss.
Tama, partner.
Sigurado ako. And tayo naman from the lessons learned, doon tayo talaga natututo at nag-i-improve.
At the end, no, it's the battle between you and your previous self.
Yes.
So hindi naman talaga yung kalaban mo, kundi yung sarili mo. At hindi lang naman game of physique ang basketball. It's a game of minds.
Yes, so definitely.
A tougher body needs a tougher mind.
Yes, correct ka dyan, Sir Angelo. Okay, so we're just waiting for our kasurog player of the game.
Sino sa tingin mo, partner? Sige, ako para sa akin si Claro eh.
Ako para sa akin ganun din eh. Si Claro din ang boto ko para sa top candidate natin sa ating kasurog player of the game. And we will see
later.
Malalaman natin yan. Makakasama natin ang winning courtside.
Talong ko lang po sa'yo, kuya. Ano po ba yung naging contribution mo sa grupo? Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Pamplona Court at nanalo ang inyong team. Kamusta po sa feeling na ikaw ang best player?
Siyempre masarap po. Kahit mapagod, at least worth it naman po yung pagod namin.
Okay po. So ngayon, i-shout out mo naman ang iyong mga supporters.
Siyempre, shout out ko ang Team Libmanan. Salamat sa kanila. And ang family ko, ang wife ko si Ivy, ang anak ko si JV, ang Claro family from Libmanan, Tubats Fam. Sa lahat ng mga taga-Libmanan, para po sa inyo itong lahat. Salamat po.
So So ayan, congratulations po for being the Kasurog Player of the Game. At dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating 2 games for tonight. And this is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter.